So you now have your Fontana oven, and it's not your Fontana pizza oven. Don't pigeonhole yourself into thinking that this is just a pizza oven. If you go onto our website, if you check out the recipes, you'll notice that 90% of those recipes are not pizza. This is a wonderful pizza oven, but you can use it for far more than just pizza. Whether it's desserts, breads, vegetables, chicken wings, burgers, whatever you might want to cook, you can cook in one of our ovens. And if you're looking for a recipe that's not on our website, send us a message. I'd love to be able to try that. Let me show you how I would make it in the oven. Or you, as you start to use your oven more and more, you might figure out, wow, I figured out how to make this recipe that's not on the website yet. Let me share it with them. This would be awesome. This is a learning experience. It's give and take. You're part of the family now. So let's use this oven for way more than just pizza. And let's grow our recipe book so that we can invite everybody into using it for far more than just being pigeonholed.